and I want to tell you, do not use the Design Essential shampoo until you have watched all my hair videos or all my videos on the Design Essential shampoo.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and today is day 20 of Vlogmas or Artmas. Alright, if you're growing your hair waist length or you're growing your hair, watch my videos before. So do not use the Design Essential shampoo before watching even this video. Before the Design Essential shampoo, our teacher Artwork Fly. So I'm gonna start from, I usually start at the back, but since I'm doing it live, I want you guys to see what is happening. So I'm gonna start from the front. Guys, I can't plait or twist to save my life. I can't do it as well. I can't do it in my hair, but I can do it in my daughter's hair. So I don't know how that works. But you see how it goes. I'm not going to use any elastic band until about Sunday night. It was so easy to unravel, you almost missed it. So guys, this is what the Design Essential shampoo did after the wash. There was a lot of knots in my hair, guys, because it's not silky but it's just dry and brittle. I'm losing a lot of hair. Like, look, if you watch the last live, I didn't have this problem. Should I blame it on not using the elastic band? But it's only up here. The elastic band would affect, it wouldn't affect here. But watch the last live and compare it. Let me show you guys. Look there, look. There's a lot of knot. I can't even pull it out. Even if I start from the end, it's not easy to unravel. And this was what was happening during the summer period. Look. What is this? So this is what the egg and protein shampoo did. The egg and protein. Look at it. It's not going to knot as the what you call it now, the Design Essential shampoo. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna make the comparison so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make the comparison. Now, let me turn sideways so you can see it a little bit better. See here? You see how it applied out easy? Who was on the live? Who persons was on the... I don't understand, yeah, man. I understand. Look there. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.
Her hair flows like a river down to her waist. Ebony strands catch the sunlight's embrace. With every step she takes, she owns the ground. Her afro crown makes the world spin round. It's like a dance she's weaving in the air. Locks of beauty twisting everywhere. Every curl a story bold and proud, speaking volumes without a single sound. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. She sees a legacy that time can't erase. Each strand a symbol of battles won, a testament beneath the radiant sun.